Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial. And in this video, we will be learning how we can fix and troubleshoot when the Wi-Fi is not showing on our Windows 10 system. And so for that, we need to first troubleshoot with Windows settings. So please go to your settings option, and you can do that simply by going to the Windows search tab, and there you need to make a right click, then select the settings option. So once you're already in the settings window, all you need to do is just to go to the system option here in the left pane, and then go and look for troubleshoot option. Now once you have already found it, all you need to do is just to proceed with other troubleshooters, and here you will find either from the most frequent section or other section the network and internet option. Now once you have already found it, all you need to do is just to run the troubleshooter by clicking the run button, and it will start detecting and fixing any problems automatically. Now you need to follow the prompts and apply any suggested fixes. After doing that, just make a quick restart with your device and see if the problem is already fixed. If it's still not fixed, all you need to do is just to go to the services window. So we need to turn on the WLAN autoconfig settings. So to do that, simply go to this Windows search tab, and then there you need to type services. After clicking or typing services, you need to click on the services option here in the best match, and here select one service, and then you need to go to your keyboard to type W, and then if you scroll down, you will look for a WLAN autoconfig option. Now once you found it, please make a right click on properties, and then here all you need to do is just to select this startup type option, and then click on this automatic option here. And then, by the way, the first thing we need to do here is just to stop the service first. After stopping, then that's the time that you can click on this startup type to select or to set it to automatic. And then after you have already set it to automatic, now we can now start the service, and then here you will see that the service status is already running. After doing this one, just please click on apply and then click on OK. And then the moment you have done that, just please close this window, make a quick restart with your device, see or check if the Wi-Fi is not working. If it's still not working, then we need to update the Wi-Fi driver. So to do that, simply go to your Windows search tab again, and there we need to type device manager, or you can just simply go to your Windows icon, make a right click, click on device manager option. Now once you are already in this window, all you need to do is just to go to the network adapters option, and then here all you need to do is just to update the driver, the main driver that you have. And then if you're connected with the internet connection, you can go and proceed with the search automatically for drivers option. And if you're not connected with an internet connection, proceed with the browse my computer for drivers. Select the let me pick from a list of available drivers. And here you will be shown with the compatible hardware drivers that you have in your device. All you need to do is just to select it. And then once selected, by the way, select the latest version, and then after selecting it, just please click on next, and it will start installing the driver. So all you need to do is just to wait for the notification that says that Windows have now successfully updated your driver. And after doing that, just close this window, make a quick restart with your device. After the restart, see if the problem is already fixed. And if it's still not fixed, then go back to with the same driver, or go back with the same window first, and then make a right click again on the driver and select the uninstall. After uninstalling it, just restart the system again for the driver to automatically reinstall. After the reinstalling, uninstalling, and reinstalling, all you need to do is just to check if the Wi-Fi is working after the reboot. So after uninstalling it, just make a quick restart, and then it will automatically reinstall, and then check if the Wi-Fi is already working. If it's still not working, then we need to go to the system configuration. So we can do that simply by opening the Windows run window first. So please select or press in your keyboard the Windows R key all together, and then you will now be opening this run window here. All you need to do is just to type msconfig, and then you will be brought to the system configuration window. Now we need to go with this services tab, and then click or check this hide all Microsoft services, and then click on enable all button here, and then click on apply, and then click on OK. So since I have already enabled all of these options here, that's why my enable all option is already grayed out. So if you haven't selected all of the services here, then please do so by clicking this enable all button, and then click on apply, and then click on OK. Once you have done this one, just please make a quick restart for your system to restart with the system for the changes to take effect. And then by the moment you are back, then see if the Wi-Fi is now showing or working. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.